car just popped?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Hey man, welcome back to another POV with Clouded Films. As y'all can see, bro, we got the cat outside right now, a jailbreak outside, we got the Camaro outside, we got another Camaro outside, also red eye jailbreak, and we got the twin turbo goddamn supercharger cat motherfucker.
Bro, why is he always
going crazy,
so
man?
much?
And this nigga got a,
why he come to my car? He said,
it's a goddamn V4.
I might did.
Man, hey man, let's get straight into the damn POV.
I low-key think we're supposed to go that way. I think so. We done went the wrong way, y'all. That being said, let's just see where this shit gonna take us. Probably went the wrong way, bro, because I don't have my goddamn GPS on the down screen how I need it. Like, I need it on the screen, bro. Let me see if I can get this shit on the screen for us, bro. Let me see. Alright, so we got this bit on the screen, so that's cool, bro. That's what we need. I'm gonna let the windows up a little bit so y'all don't hear so much air. This shit sound crazy, man. Late night city view. This shit sound crazy, man. The city looks so good, bro. The city is beautiful, not gonna lie. The city is beautiful, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the city, man. Would y'all ever live in the city of New Mexico? Or no? What y'all think, man? Y'all let me know. I don't know what color my headlights is right now. I think they orange. So I am gonna change my headlights. I'm gonna get close to this car in front of me so I can see my headlights. And we're gonna change the color. So we're gonna go from orange. We probably gonna just go to some random shit. Let me see what I want, man. I usually use the side of the car to see. Who the hell was that? Who was that? Somebody just screamed and shit. I don't know what the hell going on, y'all.
That's the car behind us.
They lit.
Just screaming.
So she says the car behind us screaming.
It's a bunch of fucking teenagers in the car.
We gonna rev the engine and see what happens.
They just looking around.
They ain't got no care in the world, y'all. Shit crazy. I heard a random ass scream. I'm like, what? What the hell is going on? Alright, y'all, let me make sure I don't go the wrong way. I know people looking at me like, this nigga got a head mount on his head. Right there. I don't know. These cars get out of my way, man. Get out the goddamn way. Hell be wrong with them. Y'all to hear all this. Your arm was out the window? Man, y'all done chopped on arm off. I'm so sorry. I did not do it on purpose. Nah, this city view is crazy. Man, that car up here got undergo lights, fool. right there. Lord, this car sounds crazy. Got a Mustang in front of us. I don't know what he up there doing though. Probably about to, what is it called? Crash. No, I'm lying. You know Mustang drivers can't drive, man. Well, that's what they say. I actually like Mustangs, so. I don't know how I feel about that. Come on, Mustang, get over. I had to get over anyway. Driving in my goddamn 900 horsepower, 1200 horsepower Hellcat Demon 170. Did my car just pop?
Yes.
Oh my god! Bro, my car just popped, gang! Ah!
It's like the second song that
Oh my god. My car just popped, gang. Mind you, I don't have no tune on my car, and my car is not straight piped. Oh my, I give it straight pipe though. Lord! Bro, my car just popped. Oh my god. That actually sounds crazy. That actually sounds crazy, bro. What? I know y'all hear that whine, bro. That whine sounds crazy. Y'all comment down below, let me know what percent y'all think the wine on, bro. Let me know, bro. What percent do y'all think the wine is on, bro? Nah, this shit sound crazy, bro. Let me give y'all the story time, bro. I took a pee today, bro. Mind you, I was holding my pee for like 5-6 hours, bro. So I took a pee, bro, and literally, bro, this pee felt like I just was rebirthed, gang. Like, that's the best feeling pee I ever took in my life, bro. Like, y'all don't understand, bro. It's like, bro, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. I took a pee and it felt so good, gang. Like, I'm trying to help y'all understand this shit, gang. Imagine peeing when you haven't peed in so long and you finally get to pee. Like, you get what I'm saying? Let me explain this shit a different way. Imagine if you peed when you didn't have to pee, but you peed. Bro, you gonna be like, what? Man, this shit felt so good, bro. Like, oh my god. That shit felt so good, gang. It's crazy. And also, y'all, for the people who don't know, we will have a new steering wheel soon. We're gonna have a new steering wheel. This gonna be changing colors and around my dash. So, y'all enjoy this shit while we got it, man. And yeah, I'm gonna let this sunroof up, bro. I feel like y'all hearing too much. I feel like y'all hear too much air. But yeah, bro, we gonna have a sunroof. Not a sunroof. Okay, DJ. Clock that TP. We're gonna have a steering wheel and everything soon, bro. So this shit gonna be crazy. It's gonna be glowing. And yeah, bro, I'm ready. I'm super duper excited, man. No bullshit. Nigga just whipping, cruising on the highway late night in a goddamn Hellcat Jailbreak. Listening to my insane whining. It's crazy. Yeah, I mean, I'm hungry. It's crazy, man. Been a great day though. So shit, I hope y'all had a great day too. Comment down below and let me know if you have or have not. And yeah, hopefully you had a great day though. If you had a great day, let me know what you did today. Let me know what you ate today. Let me know, did you pee today and how it felt. And shit, just let me know everything, bro, cause yeah, I just feel like shit, your life not complete unless you pee. You should pee every day. That's what I think. I don't know. A nigga just yapping. I'm just yapping and yap, looking at Lord have mercy. I'm about to bust. What the hell going on over there? Somebody's shit going on the back of a damn tow truck. Damn, car. Shake back, gangy. Let me see what I want to eat, man. Let me think. Take my ass and go get me some goddamn food. Cruising and shit. Man, Lord. What this is on the side of the road? Fucking Mustang?
Yeah.
Of course. I hope he good though, man. This on the side of the road, been there, I think, so. No, somebody out there. Let me slow my ass down. Everybody on the side of the road, I don't know what's going on. Supposed to be something in the air. Yeah, as long as everybody good, that's all that matter, bro. As long as everybody good, that's all that matter, gangy. No bullshit, booga. Ah, see what I'm finna eat. I need something with some meat.
You okay?
Why not?
I'm sorry, you okay?
Cause I want some food.
No, you said you want something with some meat.
I'm good. What's wrong with meat? You don't like meat?
I do.
Okay. I feel like that's normal. I'm gonna take my shoes off and dry.
Are you serious?
Yes, Lord. Ah. Huh? Yeah, I am. What's wrong with me eating meat though? Pause. Like I can't eat meat.
Pause.
Why am I pausing? I want to keep going.
It's real fruity.
Ain't nothing fruity. It's meat. How is it fruit?
It's real gay.
It's meat. How is it that?
That's how you said it.
Every time they whine, you supposed to shake ass.
I ain't trying to fly and hit the dash.
Look at that. Nigga got the rhyming in this motherfucker.
I wasn't even trying to.
What is it, BMW?
Where, yeah.
There's an I-8 right there. Got a little I-8 right there, man.
They ain't trying to race though.
Nigga don't want no smoke. Nigga don't want no smoke.
Nah, they got underglow lights though.
That car got undergo lights, fool. I keep saying that shit and I keep seeing it. We don't never see cars with undergo lights. It is odd.
They got them where the wheels at and under.
Nah, this truck hard, y'all. Look at this shit. truck hard, bro.
Neck and neck, what you trying to do?
He don't want no smoke.
He speed up. You gonna speed up too, nigga?
Who, me?
You don't want it.
He don't want no smoke,
You
bro.
don't want it.
He don't want no smoke.
If you want that speed up.
He gotta punch the gas in that thing.
I don't want the smoke. I want it. No, I don't want no smoke.
Man. But his drive is crazy. Brought me some food, man. See what I want to eat.
Shit, you just good.
I think this nigga won't smoke, gang.
What driver's mode is we in?
Miss Parks.
Girl, it don't seem like it.
I ain't really flooring it. Nigga just tapping my shit. I'm just tapping the tap. Pause.
So it's-
Niggas just tapping my shit.
Is track faster than
Pause.
sport?
I actually don't know what sport or track faster. Somebody should comment down below and let me know. Cause I actually don't know. What? Why you keep flying back? Huh? What's wrong? She just flying back.
You're so irritating. Tired.
Today been a great day, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this POV, bro. Hopefully I can get better lights in here too one day, so I can go ahead and give y'all some better looking POVs. But until then, I will see y'all niggas in the next POV. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, my nigga. And yeah, with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. Give y'all some downshifts, man. I know y'all be wanting downshifts and shit. Just little small ones. That shit's crazy. So, alright, y'all.